Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Andreja Premium Evo. Came into the shop because there was a leak in the pipe leading to the Grouphead. Um, so as part of the thermosiphon, there's two pipes running the thermosiphon where hot water comes in and then the cold water comes back down. The hot pipe, which is at the top, was leaking, and you can actually see right here. This is the interface of that compression fitting on to the group head, and you can see there's a groove in here, and that groove, it will compromise the seal of it. We tried just using the original pipe. We ordered a new pipe, and it ended up being shorter. And it looks like that newer machines have a shorter pipe for one reason or the other. Ultimately, what we had to do was push the whole boiler forward in order to fit that new pipe. It ended up working. Because the machine's all closed up, I can't show you that, but I do have another video of just showing that there is no leak anymore. And then we just did a regular tube of the machine, so that includes descaling and back flushing, deep cleaning the group head, and also cleaning the steam pump. So yeah, that's about it. You can see that we have good steam pressure here, good steam. I'm just gonna put water. I have a little cup here. I'm gonna do a test shot. This is just our test coffee. I don't have it dialed in. Also, this is a single shot, and that's not typically what I do. So it might come out not too great, but this is just demonstrating how it works as you'd expect. That alarm is the water tank alarm. That's the warning. So I'm just going to stop it right here, and I'm going to refill it. And we're back with a full tank of water, and I'm just going to do it again. And I'm just going to stop it like right there. Alright, so that's about it for this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.